In today's lesson, we are going to be finding multiples. So let's start with multiples of 5. And I'm going to use two different colored markers and this dot paper. So let's start with 5 blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? This shows that 5 is a multiple of 5. Okay, now we're going to switch to our other color and count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I count on, I know this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This shows that 10 is a multiple of 5. Okay, so we can keep alternating. Let's do another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is a multiple of 5. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 is a multiple of 5. Okay, and you can continue like that until you're at the bottom of the dot paper. Now, when you're done, you can record all the multiples of 5 in a notebook. I just have a little piece of paper here, and I'm going to record the multiples. So first we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I'm going to put 5. You can write a column if you like, or you can put a comma and write them this way. I think I'm going to write a column. Okay? Then we had 10, 15, 20. Okay? And if we kept going, we would see lots of multiples of 5. Okay? So that is how to find multiples using the dot paper. And you can do multiples of any number. You can do multiples of 3, of 7, of 4. Okay? All right, so that is your lesson. See you next time.